Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If your Epic Games launcher is laggy and causing frustration, don't worry, I have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this issue and get your launcher running smoothly again. So the first step is to clear the cache of your Epic Games launcher. Close the launcher completely, then navigate to the Epic Games folder on your computer. Open the saved folder, then the web cache folder, and delete its contents. This can help eliminate lag caused by corrupted cache files. Next, adjust the graphics settings within the launcher. You need to go to Settings, scroll down to Performance, and enable High Performance mode. So now this can reduce the graphical load on your system, making the launcher more responsive. Sometimes background processes can slow down the Epic Games launcher. Open the Task Manager and end any unnecessary process that are consuming high CPU or memory resources. If the problem still persists, consider reinstalling the Epic Games launcher. Uninstall it from your computer, restart your system, and then download and install the latest version from the official website. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any lag issues with the Epic Games Launcher. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.